Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my another content, and in this content I'm gonna be sharing with you a new topic. The topic name is if I had to start again, I would learn this skill to make money online. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. So this is time for let's begin. In this world, people are saying, how can I make money online, or make money online for beginners, or make money online beginners on an online skill. Now I'm showing with you exactly if I had today. I lost everything, no money, no experience, no contact. There is only one skill I would learn again to make money online, not trading, not crypto, not shortcut, a real skill that work. So please start with me. Why it's work? This is called a curiosity and rate the anti-scam positioning and my journey to make money online, like starting with zero knowledge, watching random videos, feeling confused, and trying shortcut that didn't work. At first, at first, I thought making money online was fast. I was wrong. What sensed everything was learning one simple skill like beginner journey, online income fast and learn from zero and trying. This is called as of mindset. Like take time for money, fixed income and limited growth. And skill mindset like learn once and earn potentially and earn repeatedly. That's why this is called flexible income and global opportunities. Like I realized I could spend 3 months learning a skill or 3 years staying stuck. This is called a passion and this is called a success. People, and this one skill I would learn again. Like you can use any one those pick one skill and practice and continuously in your skill like English plus communication skill, content creation and like digital freelancing skill like AI plus promoting skill and like online marketing basic. And why this skill is future proof, why AI will increase, not replace it, why beginner can start for free, and this skill doesn't depend on your country, degree or background. This is called a worldwide recognized skill. And what for is how long it read how long it really takes, like confusion, basic understanding and fast small result and month plus consistency income. Most people quite before results show up. That's the real problem. And this part is common beginner mistake like choosing too many methods at a time, expecting fast money and no practicing daily, comparing with others what it valid. The internet doesn't reward talent, it rewards consistency. And this is my last advice for you, like what I would do in my first 30 days. Like choose one skill, learn basic and free resources and work to practice daily and copy plus repeat example and create a small project and build confidence. And four is start earning attempt, apply on platform like publish content, don't wait to be perfect, start when you are ready and enough. Now if you are watching this content, you are really early, or you are early, most people never even try. So if you want, I will create a full step by step roadmap on this skill. Comment